म तिमीलाई लिन आउँदैछु. I will pick you up. I will pick you up. म तिमीलाई लिन आउँदैछु. हजुर गलत हुन सक्नुहुन्छ. You may be wrong. You may be wrong. हजुर गलत हुन सक्नुहुन्छ. You may be wrong. कसले भन्यो? Who said? Who said? कसले भन्यो? Who said? कसले भन्यो? मैले भने. I said. I said. मैले भने. I said. तर किन? But why? But why? तर किन? But why? मलाई भन. Tell me. Tell me. मलाई भन. Tell me. आफ्नो काममा सरोकार राख. Mind your business. Mind your business. आफ्नो काममा सरोकार राख. यसलाई जारी राख. Keep it on. Keep it on. यसलाई जारी राख. Keep it on. आफ्नो काम गर. Do your work. Do your work. आफ्नो काम गर. Do your work. ल सुरु गरौँ. Let's start. Let's start. ल सुरु गरौँ. Let's start. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. Wait for a while. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. उसलाई जान दिनुस्. Let him go. Let him go. उसलाई जान दिनुस्. Let him go. मलाई गर्न दिनुस्. Let me do. Let me do. मलाई गर्न दिनुस्. Let me do. Let me do. मलाई गर्न दिनुस्. Let me do. ढोका बन्द गर्नुस्. Close the door. Close the door. ढोका बन्द गर्नुस्. Close the door. यसलाई धुनुस्. Wash it. Wash it. यसलाई धुनुस्. Wash it. तयार हुनुस्. Get ready. Get ready. तयार हुनुस्. Get ready. यसलाई रोक्नुस्. Stop it. Stop it. यसलाई रोक्नुस्. Stop it. मलाई दिनुस्. Give me. Give me. मलाई दिनुस्. Give me. उसलाई भन. Tell him. Tell him. उसलाई भन. Tell him. उसलाई भन. Tell him. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुस्. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुस्. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुस्. अगाडि हेर्नुस्. Look ahead. Look ahead. अगाडि हेर्नुस्. Look ahead. You लिनुस्. Take this. Take this. You लिनुस्. Take this. यहाँ आउनुस्. Come here. Come here. यहाँ आउनुस्. Come here. Go there. त्यहाँ जानुस्. Go there. त्यहाँ जानुस्. Go there. त्यहाँ जानुस्. नदौड्नुस्. Don't run. Don't run. नदौड्नुस्. Don't run. कहिल्यै झुटो नबोल्नुस्. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. कहिल्यै झुटो नबोल्नुस्. चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. Don't worry. Don't worry. चिन्ता नगर्नुस्. Don't worry. आवेगमा नआउनुस्. Don't come in temper. Don't come in temper. आवेगमा नआउनुस्. Don't come in temper. दुखी नबन्नुस्. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. दुखी नबन्नुस्. Don't be sad. मलाई यो मन पर्छ. मलाई यो मन पर्छ. I like this. I like this. मलाई यो मन पर्छ. I like this. अर्को छ. यो धेरै राम्रो कुरा हो. This is a very good thing. This is a very good thing. यो धेरै राम्रो कुरा हो. This is a very good thing. अर्को छ. उनको दोष छैन. Not her fault. Not her fault. उनको दोष छैन. Not her fault. मलाई थाहा थियो. I knew. I knew. मलाई थाहा थियो. I knew. यो सकियो. It's over. अथवा it is over. यो सकियो. It's over. मलाई भन्नुस्. Tell me. Tell me. मलाई भन्नुस्. Tell me. कृपया मलाई भन्नुस्. Please tell me. Please tell me. कृपया मलाई भन्नुस्. Please tell me. मलाई नभन्नुस्. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मलाई नभन्नुस्. Don't tell me. कसैलाई नभन्नुस्. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. कसैलाई नभन्नुस्. Don't tell anyone. सबैलाई भन्नुस्. Tell everyone. Tell everyone. सबैलाई भन्नुस्. Tell everyone. अर्को छ सत्य कुरा मलाई भन्नुस्. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. मलाई सत्य कुरा भन्नुस्. Tell me the truth. झुटो नबोल्नुस्. Don't lie. Don't lie. झुटो नबोल्नुस्. Don't lie. कृपया पर्खनुस्. Please wait. Please wait. कृपया पर्खनुस्. Please wait. मलाई पर्खनुस्. Wait for me. Wait for me. मलाई पर्खनुस्. Wait for me. एक मिनेट पर्खनुस्. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. एक मिनेट पर्खनुस्. Wait for a minute. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. Wait for a moment. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. म तिम्रो प्रतीक्षा गर्छु. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. म तिम्रो प्रतीक्षा गर्छु. I will wait for you. गएर ल्याउनुस्. Go and bring. Go and bring. गएर ल्याउनुस्. Go and bring. गएर लिनुस्. Go and take it. Go and take it. गएर लिनुस्. Go and take it. गएर लिनुस्. यो आफै लिनुस्. Take it yourself. Take it yourself. Take it yourself. यो आफै लिनुस्. Take it yourself. यो आफै गर्नुस्. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. यो आफै गर्नुस्. Do it yourself. मलाई सहयोग गर्नुस्. Help me. Help me. मलाई सहयोग गर्नुस्. Help me. आफै प्रयास गर्नुस्. Try yourself. Try yourself. आफै प्रयास गर्नुस्. Try yourself. पुनः प्रयास गर्नुस् अथवा फेरि प्रयास गर्नुस्. Try again. Try again. फेरि प्रयास गर्नुस्. Try again. फेरि प्रयास गर्नुस्. Try again. हजुर यो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can do it. You can do it. हजुर यो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can do it. यो अहिले नै गर्नुस्. Do it right now. Do it right now. यो अहिले नै गर्नुस्. Do it right now. यो अहिले नै गर्नुस्. चाँडै गर्नुस्. Do it soon. Do it soon. चाँडै गर्नुस्. Do it soon. चाँडै गर्नुस्. हजुर पहिले गर्नुस्. You do it fast. You do it fast. हजुर पहिले गर्नुस्. You do it fast. यो पछि गर्नुस्. Do it later. Do it later. यो पछि गर्नुस्. Do it later. यो पछि गर्नुस्. Do it later.